Alright y'all, we are headed to get our DEXA scan. This will be about a month or so since the last DEXA scan. 2 months? This will be 2 months since the last DEXA scan. It'll be 18 days now on the 2 pounds in a brick, so we'll see how that has affected things, and should be good. Crystal's getting one, I'm getting one, and Jonathan is getting one. Here we go. Alright, we're about to test. I was 17.4% last time. I'm predicting that I'm down to 16, I think, is where I'm at. What about you, Jonathan?
Last time I was 21.9, and I think this time I'm gonna be like 24.
Crystal?
Sure.
I didn't share, but I think I'm down like 1, maybe.
1% maybe?
Yeah.
Alright, let's find out.
How are you?
Good.
Alright y'all, so just to preface this, we had a competition going. Whoever built the most muscle has to buy and cook the other party a steak. I had an injury with my back, so I was out for a week. Crystal was traveling for a week, and Jonathan should have the advantage here. So if we beat him, Jonathan,
Wow.
you're out of luck.
Pressure. Oh, in others. I
Yeah,
see.
yeah.
Alright y'all, I feel like I've let y'all down. It is the day, today is Friday. Y'all ordered the bricks on Wednesday. We're gonna ship them out today. We had intended to ship them out on Thursday, but we didn't have enough of these, and USPS was a little behind in getting these to us. But we have them now. We're shipping them out today. You'll still get them, you'll just get them a day later than you may have anticipated getting them. I apologize for that. My fault. I take all the blame. I hate that it happened, but rest assured we're doing everything we can to get you your bricks as fast as we can. I apologize for any delay or inconvenience. Enjoy your bricks. Oh yeah, y'all, look at all this. Bricks shipping out. Bricks shipping out. Gotta love it. Alright y'all, all the bricks are packaged now. We are dropping them off at the post office as we speak, or not as we speak, but we're loading up the van with ourselves to drive to the post office to drop them off. So get ready. Alright y'all, the packages have been delivered. The Keto Bricks are in the mail, they're headed to you. We apologize yet again for them being a day later than normal, but rest assured they were still packaged, made, and shipped with love. Isn't that right, Jonathan?
Yep.
That's right?
Yeah.
Alright, see y'all in a bit. Alright y'all, back from the post office. We're about to slam some legs. We're doing hypertrophy legs, so we're gonna rock that out and then take it from there. Again, I'm sorry I can't film the workout. The lighting is so dark in here right now until I get it fixed that the camera doesn't focus in the gym part. So that is not cool. I'm working on it, I promise. Alright, y'all, we just finished the hypertrophy leg workout. I'm sweating. What do you think, Jonathan?
Man, it was killer. It burnt real bad.
We got a good leg pump. Now we're gonna do a cool down by jumping on the Stairmaster for 20 minutes. Let's do it. Alright, y'all, we're here at the good old Planet Fitness, about to jump on the Stairmaster. This is the only reason I have a membership at Planet Fitness, for the Stairmaster, because they actually take care of the Stairmasters. And then, I didn't even realize this, but we did not go into details on the DEXA scans. So we're gonna do the Stairmaster, grab a shower, get something to eat, and then we're gonna dive into the details behind our DEXA scans. So stay tuned for that. Alright y'all, it's raining, I'm getting wet. We're gonna go to Texas Roadhouse right now and get a big old steak, prime rib steak, because Jonathan won that bet. He built more muscle than me, so I'm gonna buy him a steak. All right, we got our 20-ounce prime rib times 2. You excited, bro?
So excited.
All right. Happy, or congratulations on beating my game. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back from Texas Roadhouse. We have eaten a steak. We are full. Life is good. We thought we would go over our radiology consultant's DEXA scan results with y'all. First, let me give you a little preface here. So the bet was Jonathan came in November. It was November, right?
Yeah.
And it was, we did a DEXA scan then. I was 17.6% body fat, not 17.4, and you were
I was 21.1.
21.1, and we wanted to see, this was mostly his idea, but he wanted to see who could build the most muscle, and whoever built the most muscle, the other parties would buy them a steak or cook them a steak. I just bought his steak. Obviously, he built the most muscle. So much so that I honestly don't even know how he did it. A lot of these tests can be out of whack, like the in-body. Like they have like a skewed result of how much muscle you actually built. But the DEXA is like the gold standard of, you know, what accuracy. So go over some of your results with you.
Okay, so on the first time it was the 16th of November.
16th.
Yeah, so I was 21.9% body fat. I was 194 pounds, and I had 67,784 grams, which is how it registers on the sheet, but that equates to 149 pounds of lean mass. So this is 62 days later. I'm 26.1% body fat. I'm 218, so I'm up 24 pounds. And I have 72,581 grams of lean mass, which is 160 pounds. So 11-pound gain.
Yeah, so it's crazy that in 2 months' time, he has put on 24 pounds. Again, a lot of that is body fat, but he was in a bulking phase. But even being in a bulking phase, to put on 11 pounds of muscle in 2 months, I mean, honestly, I have no explanation for that. Like, it's, I don't know.
I have no idea. It's still boggling my mind.
Yeah, because he's natural.
I know, yeah. And like,
he has been eating 2 pounds in a brick with us though, so I think that's where it's coming from.
I'm just saying, we have to ask Danny to get a test done. We'll see what happens.
See if he's also putting on 11 pounds of muscle. Was there any other specific items of interest?
No, I will say it was really interesting. Like, I know, like, for instance, like, my arms are my weak spots, and, like, that was, like, the least amount mass gain. Like, I gained, like, maybe, like, half a pound on my arms. Most of it was, like, my chest and my legs grew a lot, which I found fascinating.
Mine was, like I said, 17.6% body fat. So just to kind of give you all some reference, I quit the 6,000 calorie challenge. I started eating probably around 4,000 or 5,000 calories when we got our last scan done. I'm currently doing the 2 pounds in a brick, so I'm currently eating around 3,600 to 3,700 calories. So still at a pretty significant caloric, intake. And I knew I had leaned down a little bit, but I didn't expect to lean down this much. I went from 17.6% body fat to 14.2% body fat, so I'm currently at 14.2%. But what is interesting is at that caloric intake and with that drop in body fat, my lean mass went up by 2.5 pounds. So I built 2.5 pounds of muscle in that time, and then I lost 3 pounds, over 3 pounds of 3% body fat. And again, there is going to be some, inaccuracies here. I don't honestly think I built 2.5 pounds of solid muscle in 2 months. I mean, that would be great, but I probably didn't build that much. But it is cool to know that I am showing an increase in muscle mass and a decrease in body fat percentage with such a caloric intake.
I think you're a freak of nature.
I don't know about that.
That doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, but yeah, everything else looked good. So yeah, it was cool to have. We have the hookup on these DEXA scans. We get them at Baptist Health here in Little Rock, Arkansas. It's $50 for the first time you go in, and then every time after that it's $35 for a DEXA scan. Which, I mean, normally it's like $150 every time you go.
Yeah.
So I don't know why they're so cheap here, but we're definitely taking advantage of them. That pretty much wraps up this vlog, y'all. I'm gonna edit this and get it published. So thanks for following along. Productive day today. Shipped out all the bricks today. Sorry we were late again on those bricks. Do not want to let y'all down. I pride myself in the fact that we normally get those bricks out super fast and exceed y'all's expectation. I don't necessarily feel like we did that this time, so I apologize. That was not cool, but they'll still get to you relatively quickly. Hopefully you're not waiting on them long. But yeah, it was a good day. Good day. So we'll see y'all tomorrow.